In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free HubSpot Developer test account, set up an app, configure scopes, copy your OAuth credentials, and generate access tokens for API requests. To get started, open Chrome and go to developer.hubspot.com. This is HubSpot's developer platform where you can create and manage apps for testing and integration work. Once you're there, sign into your developer account if needed, and create a free developer test account portal. This test portal is useful because it gives you a safe environment to build and experiment without affecting a live production setup. As you go through this process, make sure you're working in the correct developer account so your app and portal stay organized from the beginning. After your test account portal has been created, head over to your app's dashboard page. This is the area where all of your developer applications are managed. On that page, click the primary button labeled Create App. This will open the setup flow for a brand new application. When creating an app, it's a good idea to keep your naming and organization clear so you can identify it easily later, especially if you plan to build multiple integrations over time. Once the app is open, find the Scopes tab in the app settings. Scopes control what data and actions your application is allowed to access. Check the boxes for the data access privileges your application actually needs. Be thoughtful here because choosing the right scopes is important for both functionality and security. If your app doesn't have the permissions required for a certain request, the API call may fail. At the same time, it's best practice to avoid requesting more access than necessary. Next, click the Auth Settings tab. In this section, you'll find your client ID and client secret. Copy both of these values carefully because they're essential for OAuth authentication. The client ID identifies your app, and the client secret helps verify that requests are coming from a trusted source. Treat the client secret like sensitive information and store it securely. Avoid exposing it publicly or placing it anywhere it could be shared accidentally. Finally, use your terminal tools to generate OAuth access tokens so you can begin making API requests. This step allows your app to authenticate properly and interact with HubSpot's API.